Alright guys, so one of the first tips or tricks I want to show you is related to the key fob. I don't know if you know this, but if you press the unlock button and then press it a second time and hold, it'll actually roll down your windows and your moonroof if you got one automatically on the car. Now, the question is, if I have this and I'm sitting on the couch and it's raining outside and I actually roll over on it, can I roll the windows down in a storm? And the answer is yes. So if you want to turn this feature on or off, let me show you how to do that. Okay, so to make this change, we're gonna be using the menu back here and the steering wheel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this home button and then we're gonna scroll using this, right? Okay, so here we are at the dash, and what I've done is I'm gonna scroll around here and we wanna go down to settings. So once you get into settings, you wanna go ahead and select that. Now from here, you're gonna wanna scroll down. We're gonna wanna go to door setup. So when you get down to door setup, you're gonna go ahead and select it. Now from door setup, we're gonna scroll all the way down here and it's gonna say keyless remote power window controls. If you select that, it's currently turned on. You can then scroll down and turn that off, which means you won't be able to use this feature to roll down the windows if it's hot outside, but you can avoid it in case it's raining and you're worried about accidentally doing it because you have the keys in your pocket and maybe you're sitting or laying down on the couch. If you want it on, just go ahead and flip it on and then select